Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us learn how you can configure site settings in Elementor. Go to the dashboard, go to and open any page. So once you're in any page, click this toggle. If you do not see that one, click here. Then you click this, the toggle. Then click site settings. Then now here, you'll be able to set global colors by clicking here. You set here the colors you feel like depending on the primary color, secondary color, text, accent. These are the buttons depending on plus any custom colors you need to add. By clicking here, then you can add any color you feel like. After that, update. Once you have updated, come to global fonts. Click here the primary color, look for the font you need like to style, the font size, the font weight, transformation, upper, lower case, or capital, the style, normal, italic, or oblique, decoration, all this you can set. Then line height also, you can set that one also. You can set the line height. After that, publish. Go back, and the typography, you can set the color for the body color. This is the text color. You can set this to any color you feel like. Here the link color. If you need links to have the only color, you can set them a color here. Then when you hover on them, they can show you a different color. You can still set the size of the color. I mean the size of the text containing the link. H1, you can still set here the color plus setting everything here. H2, the same applies to up to H6. Update, go back, come to buttons. You can still style the buttons here. After styling the buttons, you can still set the image here. I mean the image size, opacity, etc, all that at one place. If you even the forms, you can set them here depending on how you need them to look like on your site. The site identity is here, for example the site name, the description, the logo, the site favicon. You can still set it here from there. The background, you can still set the background here, how you feel the background you need the background to look like. The layouts, you can still, for example the width of the content, you can still set them here, either depending on how you need them to look like this. You can still add the spacing, for the to have the text spacing up and down. You can set the canvas and follow with it. Then the breakpoints, you can still choose the breakpoint from here. If you need to add, you can still click here. Still, you can do that. Once you are done that, update. After updating, go back. You can send the page transition, the CSS, and additional settings. You can still, this one's here, you can click and you come to this page. So you can have all the settings in one place. So once it comes to editing, just come and select what you need to edit, then you can work on it.